Cracked shingles need sealing, while missing shingles require replacement, and choosing the right method keeps small roof problems from becoming major leaks. For cracked asphalt roof shingles, start by cleaning the area with a stiff brush to remove granules and debris, then lift the tab above the crack and work a tube of roofing caulk under the crack, pressing gently so the caulk fills the gap, and debut 2-7 seals the shingle surface. Smooth the bead with a putty knife and press the shingle back down, fastening the tab with a roofing nail, if needed, and covering the nail head with a dab of caulk to prevent corrosion and leaks. When the crack runs along the shingle edge or the shingle is severely brittle, replace the individual shingle instead of patching because patched brittle shingle will fail again under wind or freeze and thaw cycles. For a missing shingle, measure the exposed area to match a replacement shingle from an unused section or a new shingle that matches the color and profile. Then slide the replacement under the row above. Align the tabs. Drive 2 corrosion-resistant roofing nails into the shingle just above the adhesive strip and seal the nail heads and the top edge with roofing caulk to prevent water intrusion. Always work from a stable ladder and wear footwear with good traction and gloves. If the roof pitch is steep or the damage is extensive, call a professional. Check the attic after repairs during the next rain to confirm no new leaks, and recheck the repair at the end of the season to ensure the sealant and fasteners remain sound. Keep extra shingles from the original roof or note the shingle brand and color code so future repairs match and weather consistently. 3 common mistakes are using ordinary household caulk, which will crack and fail under ultraviolet exposure and temperature swings, so use a quality roofing caulk rated for exterior and ultraviolet resistance. Another issue is failing to lift the shingle tabs above the repair, which prevents proper adhesion of the caulk and leaves hairline paths for water, so always loosen the adjoining courses gently to seat the caulk and nails correctly. A third mistake is driving nails through the wrong place, which breaks the shingle seal and causes leaks, so place nails just above the adhesive strip and cover them with caulk. If you cannot access the right placement without risking safety, hire a contractor. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who post services and respond to project requests, while also serving as a place where contractors can find work and connect with potential clients. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, share photos of repairs, and ask practical questions about asphalt, roof, shingle damage, and fixes.